Os un tîm wedi dioddau oherwydd absenoldeb cefnogwyr yn ystod cyfnod anodd diweddar, y Barri yw hwnnw. Ond mae'r fyddin melyn yn ôl. McLagan at Jarvis. Jarvis yn gofod troi yn ôl, chwilio am gymorth. Dyma Cottrell. Cottrell yn ei lled iddi. Allan at Cummins. Cummins yn croesi at y postyn pella. Peniad lawr! O, chydig heibio'r postyn gan Nat Jarvis.
Mae'n tegu Jarvis yn ffeindio'r lle yn y cwrt Cosby. Oedden ni'n gweld efo Alex Ramsey yn y gol. Mi o'na panics. Bydd o'n siomedig nad ydi wedi taro'r targed.
Gwaith da gan McLagan i ennill y bêl yn ôl. Yn arwain drwy esiampl y capten McLagan. Tuag at y cwrt Cosby. Pas wych tu fewn at Cummins. Cummins ar draws. A neb yn cymryd y cyfle yna. Clayton Green yn ei tharo yn erbyn yr amddiffynwr Smith yma allan am gyd gornel.
Kay McLagan. Mae'r symudiad yma i gyd am y dyn yna. Dewin bach am bas yn ffeindio'r lle. Ond Clayton Green, os oes gen o droed dde.
Clwstwr o chwaraewyr mewn gwen. A cyffyrddiad o, mae'r arbediad yn wych. Edwards ar cyffyrddiad.
Ie, Dave Edwards. Mae'r boi wedi sgorio gymaint o goliau o ganol cae dros y blynyddoedd drwy amseru'r rhediadau efo ni'r cwrt Cosby ac yn gwybod efo unrhyw gyffyrddiad mae'n mynd i taro'r targed.
Walker Rice unwaith eto, Edwards y cyffyrddiad. A dyma gyfle, o, cyfle gwych i Anthony Kay i rwydo dros y Bala. Ond i ergyd drod dde yn hedfan dros y bar ac un arall wedi mynd i'r gwynt. Green, mae hwn yn gyffyrddus ar y... O, tackle hwyr gan Green, ydyn ni chwarae mantais a dyn, dyma Sang. Sang yn mynd i hun! Ar arbediad gan Lewis, ond oedd Walker Rice yn glir ar rydiad.
Mae rhaid iddo basio. Cyffyrddiad gwych, ond diolch yn sbio fyny. Diolch yn cael golwg i weld i bartner o Walker Rice. Mae yna ceri o le, jyst y bas efo pwysau da, a sy'r ergyd i fewn. Oh.
Leslie ar ei drod chwith yr eilydd! O, modfeddi heibio'r posti.
Dwi'n meddwl o bosib fysa'r golgeidio wedi cael ei lawr y bêl os oedd hi'n taro'r targed, ond Leslie, gysylltiad campus efo'i droed chwith yn penderfynu fod o'n mynd ochr y golgeidwad yn gobeithio fysa Lewis yn mynd yr ochr arall. A dwi'n meddwl dyna oedd y cyfle ola.
Kieran, assess that one for me. Does a point almost feel like a missed opportunity?
Yeah, I think so. I think we'll go home a little bit disappointed. I think we had enough chances to win the game, so yeah, we're a bit disappointed with the point, but it's not the end of the world away at Barri. It's always a tough place to come.
It's a bit scrappy, the game. I thought the first half was quite equal. Not really a great deal of quality on show. And I think we've bossed the second half without creating many clear-cut chances, really. Our final ball and our final passing around the final third wasn't good enough. But we're lacking a few personnel, and hopefully we'll get one of them back next week. That'll give us a bit of a spark. It's hard to come here, good performance, and good. It's a good place to come and get a point, taking everything into account.
I think the best chances of the game have fallen to us in the first half, particularly the first 15 minutes. Thereafter, I thought it was pretty even, if I'm being honest. I wouldn't say they've created much against us. I'd like to say that, I thought we looked quite threatening today, but look, after last week's defeat and the manner of the defeat last week, today was about character and guts and togetherness, and I thought you've seen that in spades.
I asked you before the game about the fact you'll be missing Chris Venables. Did you miss his presence in front of the goal today?
Yeah, obviously Chris is the best player in the league. He has been for a number of years, and any team would miss Chris. But Chris sang run his socks off today, caused them problems, but something didn't just fall for us today. But Chris might have got that difference, and that's the strikers are the highest paid and the most sought after, and Chris is the best in the league, so maybe he could have changed it from 1 point to 3. But it's a good point on the road.